The charge sheet has been filed in the Renukaswamy murder case. In fact, what we're hearing is that 3,991-page charge sheet has been filed before the Bengaluru court. Murder charges are against Pavitra Gowda, an actor Darshan, along with 15 others. Evidence also includes bloodstains that was found on Pavitra Gowda's footwear. So the Bengaluru police now filing this charge sheet against the Kannada actor Darshan in connection with the murder of his fan Renukaswamy. So this is big news coming in right now on this charge sheet that has been filed. It's a 3,991-page charge sheet that has been filed before the Bengaluru court. Let me go straight across now to CNN News 18's Harish for more. Harish, tell us a little bit more about the circumstantial evidence that nails the involvement of the actor Darshan in the death of Renukaswamy.
Well, three crucial aspects that the cops believe will get them a conviction in this case. One, they have mentioned three eyewitnesses in this case. They are going to be very crucial if they stick to their statement. Apart from these eyewitnesses, there are 8 FSL reports. This includes the FSL reports of bloodstains found on the footwear of Pavitra Gowda, clothes of Darshan, and several other accused bloodstains found in that car that was used to move Renukaswamy's body. All of it has matched with Renukaswamy's blood samples that were collected. So that's a clincher, say the police, because that indicates that Pavitra Gowda, Darshan were part of the assault that took place on Renukaswamy inside that shed in Pattanakere. That's the second crucial piece of evidence. Third is the digital evidence of phones of Darshan, Pavitra Gowda, their tower location also indicating their presence there. The constant chatter that has taken place between Darshan, Pavitra Gowda and the other accused in this case who assaulted Renukaswamy, who have abducted Renukaswamy from Chitradurga. That's another piece of evidence. Apart from this, they have 97 different witnesses present in this list. This also includes witnesses who've recorded their statement under 164 of CRPC before a magistrate, which means they'll have to stick to that statement, and several other eyewitness accounts as well. And apart from this, they've also mentioned the kind of evidence that they have collected in terms of medical reports, in terms of the remand copy, in terms of the statement given by these accused during the interrogation itself. So several of these evidences likely to help the police, but they are maintaining with the fact that they have managed to get 3 eyewitnesses and crucial FSL reports indicating the presence of Pavitra Gowda, Darshan and others. The blood stains is something that will make it extremely difficult for Darshan and Pavitra Gowda's legal team to get any sort of reprieve, and they are saying that they are very confident that they will get conviction. At least 14 of them having murder charges, 3 of them perhaps will be booked for destruction of evidence, but at least 14 of them, very clear indication that they were part of the assault and murder of Renukaswamy.
And Harish, you know, I remember the barbarity and the brutality of this crime is what sent shockwaves. The kind of torture and the pain inflicted on the victim is what really is most concerning about this case.
Absolutely. In fact, one of the FSL report and the autopsy report, both of it mention the kind of brutality that has been inflicted on Renukaswamy. They've registered how part of his skull was fractured. There was a blunt object used to hit him on his body parts. His rib cage was fractured. There is also a fracture on his leg. There is a mention of how brutally they had assaulted on private parts of Renukaswamy as well. All of this has been captured in the autopsy and the FSL report that has taken place, which indicates the kind of brutal assault that took place on Renukaswamy inside the shed. And we will have to see if there is any other evidence that the police will be mentioning before the court, or as more details trickle from this charge sheet, to see if there is something else that acts as a clincher for the police apart from the ones which are already out now. The police team that has carried out this investigation very confident that they have managed to build a watertight case.
Right, Harish, thanks so much for joining us and telling us more details, getting us more details about the charge sheet that has been now filed by the Karnataka police. Moving on now to some breaking news.